Hello guys, today we are continuing our building skills in code.org Minecraft. Let's continue our Minecraft. Remember last time we did easy, now we're going to continue medium. First, what should we do? We want this block to go here. We have to get the repeat loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Go 7 times, place bridge and go forward. Let's try our first command. This is working good. Oh, we need to do 6 times. Let's try again. But I want to sit on here. Then I want to move like this. Yes, that's how I want it. Then we do repeat loop. 2 times only. Get this command. You pull a bridge and go forward. I'll show you how it works now. Oh, this is good. This is working good. Yes, this is how you have to go. Then you turn out again right. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be 4 times. Because you have to start from here. 4. Place bridge and go forward. This is a medium. If it's hard for you, you can watch the video again and again to see how you do this. To do this time, we look right, maybe. No, it's gonna be right. It's gonna be bad. Let's try right. Check out. Oh, not do like this. Let's do like this. Please, I want to do good. Oh, I made a mistake. It's not right. I told you guys. I made a mistake, a big mistake. Then we look at here. We place a branch block. We move forward. Then we look right. Then we use 2 times repeat command. 2 times, not 3 times. Then you place a branch plank. Then you move forward. It has to work. Look at this big command. That was pretty hard for you maybe guys, but not for me. It's easy for you. Soon you're gonna start the 2nd chapter of this. What? Four times? I'm confused. It works not this, not this. Then it goes right here. Oh, I forgot it. That's why I got a big F for my test. Let's go, guys. Bruh, faster. Bruh, he's so slow. He's slower than a fan. Yes, my new home is an L. What is this home? I hit a home with an L. Yeah, jump, 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 jump. This is 18 codes. If you are the creator, this is how much code you have to do. If you want to read the codes, they're here. I'll copy the code soon. I'm copying, I'm a hacker. Just kidding, guys. If you like this video and how you make a medium hole with blocks, like this video and subscribe and watch for more. And put a bell on our channel to see more updates in our videos. See you. Use code.org to learn to code with blocks. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.